What does it mean if my HVAC system won't respond to thermostat changes? It usually means the thermostat, power supply, wiring, or heating and cooling equipment has a problem that is preventing the system from receiving or acting on the command. First, check whether the thermostat screen is blank, because that often points to dead batteries, a tripped circuit breaker, or a blown furnace fuse. Replace the batteries if needed, then make sure the thermostat is set to heating or cooling, not just fan mode, and lower or raise the temperature several degrees beyond the room temperature. Wait a few minutes, because many systems have a built-in delay that protects the compressor from starting too quickly. If the screen works but nothing happens, check the electrical panel for a breaker labeled furnace, air conditioner, or heating and ventilation equipment, and reset it only once if it is tripped. A dirty air filter can also cause some systems to shut down to prevent overheating, so replace it if it is clogged. One lesser-known issue is that water from a blocked condensate drain can trigger a safety switch and stop the air conditioner or furnace from running. If the system makes clicking sounds, runs continuously, smells like burning, or trips the breaker again, turn it off and contact a qualified technician. A common mistake is changing the thermostat setting repeatedly, which can make the built-in delay seem like a failure, so wait 5 minutes before testing again. Another mistake is assuming a blank thermostat always needs batteries, because some models receive power from the indoor unit, so check the breaker and furnace switch too. Never keep resetting a breaker that trips, since that can signal a short circuit or unsafe equipment. Leave it off and arrange professional service. Also, do not remove wiring from the thermostat unless the power is switched off and you know the wiring, because touching the wrong terminals can damage the system. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.